degrees warmer than yesterday. And we'll keep that warmth overnight too. The wind gets stronger, the cloud invades everywhere, there's a bit of dampness. It's a frost-free night. But don't let that fool you. It is not going to be a benevolent day tomorrow. Whilst the blue gathers the rain on the western side of Scotland, it is Scotland where the focus of some pretty severe weather is tomorrow. And not just in the morning, but throughout the day. There's a Met Office warning of severe gales, gusts of up to 80 miles an hour, but more typically 60, I would have thought, starting in the northwest, spreading across the whole of Highland Scotland as the day progresses. Even at 9 in the morning, it's 60 miles an hour off Caithness, about 35, which is a steady gale into the western Highlands. Now, it's still going to be windy over northern England, but actually not as windy tomorrow morning as it was this morning, and the clouds gather to bring more rain. But for most of us, tomorrow, again, looks all right. It'll feel remarkably mild for a November morning. By 9 o'clock, 10 or 11 degrees. There'll still be a lot of cloud and limited sunshine, and there'll be more on the way of spits of rain in the wind, particularly so over Wales. As you cross the Irish Sea, that's more obvious in Northern Ireland, but there are streaks of sunshine. Here we're picking up the wind again. We're coming back up to Scotland because I thought it would be an advantage to go through the weather in Scotland, particularly right now. So for tomorrow morning, from 9 o'clock onwards, as the wind strengthens as it goes across the Highlands, the air that follows it is brought in as much cold. That is snow. Snow falling in the Highlands. Now, the cold air does not get much further south than that tomorrow during daylight hours. Again, 13 or 40 degrees for most of us, bit of cloud, a bit more rain, and there's some following sunshine. But the real cold air, tucked in behind this front here, comes in tomorrow evening and overnight. As it sinks south, you'll see the blue reveal behind. That is a frost. With the wind, you can imagine how cold it's going to feel. The worst of the weather actually is pushed out to the North Sea, where the isobars are tightest. Friday, though, will start very cold. Single figures for most in the wind. You can imagine how it's going to feel. More like November should. Surprisingly, though, Friday sees a slowly dying wind and a lifting sunshine, and it doesn't look a bad day. And the snow in Highland Scotland is replaced by rain.
Rob, thank you.